So Bosch have got a really good reputation for cordless vacuum cleaners. They all work really well. This is a fairly standard format where you've got the motor unit in your hand. Some of the things that really stand out are replaceable battery. So whereas with some designs the batteries go bad and you've either got to get it fixed or you buy a new machine. This one you just replace the battery, just like I do with my Bosch lawnmower. So it's pretty simple. This just tilts off here. You've got your canister there to empty your dust, clean your filters and things like that. This is quite a nice little funky thing as well there. You can get right under there sort of thing, which is really nice for that. I don't know if I can show you this. That's got So this has got a full spinning turbo brush on the end here, so it will very effectively pick up hairs and cotton threads from carpets. Whereas if you haven't got a decent sized head and a spinning brush, it just leaves them there. Also, one of the things that I find annoying but really effective is it's got LED lights on the front here, and when you're cleaning like that, I can see grey hairs all over my carpet everywhere straight away. It highlights them beautifully. So yeah, it will pick up things that I just never knew were there. So that's that. But that's not the whole story of this machine. I mean, it's a superb vacuum cleaner in every respect. But with this particular fella here, we can just literally pop this dry turbo head off and pop on that. Now this is a refillable water container, and as you can see, you've got mops there as well. So if I just engage this and try and keep my hands out of the way, don't do this at home. So that's on auto, that's turbo, and that I think's eco. But as you can see, they spin round and they will mop your floor for you. So if you want a machine that's got real dual functionality, and you can use it as a really good vacuum cleaner, but at the same time you want to go out there and polish up all your hard surfaces, that should get you out of trouble, and you can empty that water container very easily, replace it, go again.